son is also a batchmate. He's a faculty now in the NIT. Thank you, sir. Whatever you have expectations, we will live up to our potential and we shall see that we do better for the society. Professor P.T. Tekadi. Professor R.G. Edkey, faculty from physics, I suppose. Professor A.K. Govardhan. Yeah. A few months back I had met him. It was nice to see him once again. Yeah, physics professor. So we had the Department of Applied Mathematics, Department of Physics, Department of Applied Chemistry. We also had the Humanities Department. We had Mrs. Bhagat also teaching English. Then we have Professor P.G. Shivsagar, faculty from It Becomes Technology. So, he gave us the inputs in physics. Yeah, applied physics, please. You want to speak, sir? Please.
मित्रों, समाज के देश के अंदर और समाज के अंदर विश्व भर एक जो सीड ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस फैला हुआ है वो चिंता का विषय है। आप उसे शेयर करें या ना करें, और ये डिस्ट्रस्ट एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन अगर आप कुछ न करें तो बड़ा मुश्किल होगा। मेरी विनती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो यूथ है वो केवल वो ही देश को, समाज को इस विध्वंसकारी एक्टिविटीज से बचा सकता है। अपनी एक्टिविटीज से बड़े बड़े उदाहरण फूटते जा रहे हैं और ये आश्चर्य होता है कि किसी को देश की फिक्र है या नहीं। मैं लीडर्स को बोल रहा हूँ, ये कभी भी देश को खा जाएंगे ऐसा डर लगता है। और इसमें मेरी खास विनती है आप लोगों को कि इस ओर थोड़ा ध्यान दें, गांधी के विचारों को, और जितना ज़्यादा आप अपने सामाजिक एक्टिविटी में, आपके काम में वो ला सके तो देश बचाने में थोड़ी मदद हो जाएगी। मेरी ये आपसे विनती है, गांधी के विचारों को जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उन्हें इम्प्लीमेंट करने की। धन्यवाद।
Who says that in an engineering college teachers only talk about engineering, nothing else? Education is basically required for the growth and refinement of the individual. It's not only that all the available resources have to be converted into the resources which are useful to the humankind. No. Engineers are also in the field of destruction also. We have to think. Professor G.M. Kinikar, Professor B.M. Rao,
being at the gathering of teachers, I feel that as Professor Korde, Professor Pingle, Professor D.A. Inamdar have not come. Maybe Professor Pathak was already there. But otherwise, I am a senior, though I look junior most, or at least most junior. I am the senior most staff of this DRC, who joined first at Fine House. I took charge from Professor S.T. Khare of all the departments when he left and joined as secretary in Mumbai.
It's simply great. Your presence has added the grace to the function, sir. Yeah. Professor Korde then? Professor Korde? No, he's not there. Professor S.K. Moharir. We have come to the mathematics. A little bit complex. Complex variables I'm talking about. Professor Moharir. Professor H.G. Gangrekar. Gangrekar, sir, yes. Looks same. A lot of bass on the voice. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Mathematics is set to the foundation of engineering. You just subtract mathematics from engineering, you are nowhere. So these are the learned faculty from the Department of Applied Mathematics. Professor A.G. Deshpande. Mathematics 1, Mathematics 2, Mathematics. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इन लोगों ने जो नींव रखी थी, शायद उसके बलबूते पर लोग आज न जाने इस देश में विदेश में बहुत कुछ मिराकल्स कर पा रहे हैं। All credit goes to this gentleman, the sacrifice। और मैं सही में बताता हूँ कि बहुत फर्क होता है एक प्रोफेशनल अपने टीचिंग में जाना, और उस समय इनको बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज थी, उसके बावजूद भी एक वोकेशन करके उन्होंने टीचिंग प्रोफेशन दिया है। हैट्स ऑफ टू यू सर, वंस अगेन हैट्स ऑफ। या Can you see something on my left hand? I said professors are absent-minded mostly. Somebody has forgot on this. Yeah, valid person. 86, not in 85, but they were admitted in 1981. Yeah, the faculty from architecture department, please stay back. And I request all honorable faculty members, please give us the opportunity. Yeah. We would change this in the years to come. Yeah, I request Professor Deshpande, please. Yeah, please, sir.
देर आए लेकिन दुरुस्त आए। हमसे हुई शुरुआत, हमसे हो रहा आगे। The Department of Architecture has got, I wish all my colleagues and an opportunity to meet all of them. It is the time when we remember how many faculty members were present for the last program like this, and how many of them today are no longer with us. We remember our colleagues who are not with us, as well as unfortunately number of young people, my own students, who have left for their heavenly abode.